Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I know it has been a long time, or at least for me, it feels like I have not posted a video in so long. But with Thanksgiving coming up and just, I don't know, it just got really crazy and really busy in our house. And I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna try my hardest to get back into a routine in posting. It doesn't just motivate you guys, but it also motivates me to get my house picked up. But anyways, in this video, I'm just going to be doing a quick tidy up. I'm really just going to focus on picking up my bedroom and picking up the living room. And that's really about it. It's short, it's sweet, but I hope you guys enjoy and get tons of motivation from this video.
Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
And for you guys who do not know me, my name is Mckenzie. I am a mom of 4 small children. Well, my oldest is 12, so I don't know if we would consider her small anymore since she's a preteen. And then my youngest is 5. So our house is very crazy and chaotic, but I love it. And I'm also a wife, and I stay at home to take care of everything home-wise. So yeah, my days are very, very busy.
And family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
And now that my room is all done, I will be moving on to the living room. And it's my favorite spot in the house to just sit and look at the Christmas tree and turn on our electric fireplace and just enjoy the season. I know for a lot of us that this time of year can be harder and take an emotional toll on us. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm one of those people. I love Christmas, but for some reason, it's just, I don't know. I just get more sad. I don't know. It's weird, but I know I'm not alone. I know there's tons of people that get the Christmas blues, I guess I will call it. But anyways, I'm just gonna be picking up these blankets. With Thanksgiving break, my kids definitely took advantage of sleeping on a pallet in the living room, but it's okay. They enjoyed it, and I don't mind cleaning it up. So anyways.
I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
And now that I have picked up the living room and I've wiped down the surfaces that needed to be wiped down, I am going to be vacuuming. I feel like for me that a room is never fully clean until you vacuum. Tell me I'm not alone in this.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out.
All right, you guys, and that is going to be it for this short, sweet Christmas clean with me. I like these a lot better, and it's a lot easier for me to get them posted for you guys. So I think I'm going to start doing shorter cleaning videos. What you think? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.